How beautiful is the rain. Poet H.W. Longfellow. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat. In the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain. How it clatters along the roofs, like the tramp of hoofs. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window pane it pours and pours, and swift and wide with a muddy tide. Like a river down the gutter roars the rain, the welcome rain. Longfellow's poem is about the coming of rain in a drought or in a dry season. He heralds how the rain looks coming down in fiery streets and lanes. He tells of how it sounds as it clatters along dry rooftops and how it gushes out of dry, choking water spouts tumbling down from the roofs. He speaks of how it clatters on the window pane while washing a muddy tide of accumulated dry dirt ahead of it. He ends by saying how welcome the rain is to the plants, and on the plains how welcome is the rain.